All right.
Hi, Rosie.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. I'm so glad you guys stayed in Tampa. I didn't try to drive to Miami.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we stayed.
Yeah.
And Brandon looked at us and said, you guys look tired. We need to stay.
Yeah, yeah. I'm so glad. Yes, yes.
One thing about my spouse is he hates going through a drive-thru. He hates it. So they have a drive-thru, but we're going inside. Hello. So I got my large hot pipe coffee. My son loves the chai. My daughter loves matcha. And he's drinking a chai hot latte. And we're just waiting for our breakfast sandwiches. I love the what's it called? I love the Impossible sandwich here that they have. It's really good. And then he loves to get the Swiss ham croissant hot, which is really good too. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And the drive-thru is packed. So I'm happy that we came in here because there's like no one in here. So it's pretty good. We're in Busch Gardens. So we have to buy our tickets and then we in it. We in it to win it, guys. And my voice is so harsh right now. We have been doing so much yelling, laughing, so my voice is done. It's not that packed. I'm shocked because it's Sunday.
Your receipt for those, okay?
Thank you. Hi guys, so as you can see, it is a rainstorm that is coming. All of the rides are closed, so we're sitting underneath an umbrella. Everybody is over there, and we're just gonna ride it out. It's about to pour. It's really about to be a rainstorm right now. Look at the sky. Can you guys see that sky? I don't know if you could see. So yeah, my son is disappointed. He didn't get to go on that one single ride yet. So hopefully they open up before the park closes at 10 and then we'll go on some kind of a ride. Hopefully, but yeah. So other than that, it is actually pouring now, look.
Drink over there. Go.
Hi, squirrel. Hi. Usually squirrels run, but this squirrel is staying right here.
One more. Come on, look. It's right here. Look, it's right here. Come on, look.
How is the squirrel having some of his Budweiser? This is crazy.
Here, you want some more here? Here.
He's drinking the Budweiser. It was good. You gonna let him drink that beer?
Yo, you go ahead, look, you got another go. You got another round. You want another round? You want this? The other round right there, look. It's right here, look. The other round right there, look. It's right there. He already had a cat. He's going for his second round.
He's at the bar, guys.
It's right there. You sure? Look, come on, let's go. You want me to take it somewhere else so you can drink it? Go, it's right there, look. All right. Your beer over there, I left you a cup over there, guy.
And 50, why you gave that squirrel beer?
He's stuck. He's stuck. Ain't no food up there.
Look at me. His first ride by himself.
Free drinks.
Free drink?
Yeah, off the tickets.
Oh, yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Chloe and Brandon is about to come down the slide. I'm so proud of Chloe. She's in the front. She's being brave.